Hey everyone! Did you hear? Google just launched a groundbreaking new technology called Nano Banana, and it's built right into the Gensmo app. This isn't just any fashion tool. Nano Banana uses advanced AI to help you create the perfect outfit, whether you're heading to a date night, brunch with friends, or any occasion that calls for something special. With Gensmo app, forget the usual struggle of staring at your closet. Because Nano Banana, fashion has never been this effortless. Stick around to see how it turns vague ideas into curated looks, try-ons, and even social challenges that'll blow your mind. Okay, so let's explore how this actually works. It's so simple, and the process is seamless. The first thing you'll do is download the Gensmo app. Once you open it, you're greeted with a personalized feed. Here, you can explore brands in different ways, using filters like popular, A to Z, and Z to A. There's also a category for NYFWSS26, which suggests the app highlights trends from specific fashion events. The feed features a variety of brands, including Abercrombie, Calvin Klein, Forever 21, Mango, and more. This feed is a great place to scroll for inspiration or discover new brands. But the real power of Gensmo lies in its AI Stylist. To use it, simply tap the search bar at the top of the screen. You can type in a description of the look you want to create. The app will suggest pre-written phrases, or you can type your own, such as first date outfit that's cute but not too dressy. Here I can thebungs according to my preferences, like if I want to refine my prompt, I can tap refine my idea to get more refined prompt. Plus I can choose the style of outfit, whether classic or coastal, and for price preferences I can select on budget, sensibly priced, or more. Once I input my prompt, the AI Stylist generates an entire outfit form. The app shows you a curated look that includes various items from different brands. The app even provides the prices for each item. This app is so awesome that I keep coming back to it to try out different scenarios. I'm having so much fun with the AI Stylist. So let's try a few prompts so that you can see how versatile this app is. No, here, I'm trying a different prompt, streetwear, look for a concert with a vintage band tee. Woohoo! Again, look at the results. It's literally insane. It took a vintage tee and styled it with distressed black jeans, a dark color full-sleeve shirt, and some chunky combat boots. The crazy part is it even suggested a crossbody bag and necklace to complete the look. It's so much more creative and fun than just typing jeans and a tee. It understood the vibe and gave me something specific and trendy. For next prompt, I wanted to see if I could handle something a bit more specific and thematic. So for that, I typed this weekend getaway look for a lakeside cabin, and it gives me a perfect outfit. A light color blouse with varieties, chic shorts, and comfy pair of shoes complete with a beautiful tote bag. And the best part? I was genuinely shocked by how good the suggestions were, and the customization is so easy. And if you're not vibing with a specific piece, just tap it, and the app instantly gives you tons of alternatives. It's that simple. The crazy feature that's personally my favorite as well is try-on feature, where you can see your selected outfit in iAvatar. At this time, you can select another incredible option that is Vibe Imagine. With this, you can modify your AI avatar in the same outfit, but in different lifestyle scenarios. Literally, it's mind-blown. So let me know what's one outfit or style you've always wanted to try but never knew how to put together. Share your thoughts. I'd love to read. This app also has a social element, allowing you to share the looks you create with the community and even start challenges with friends. Now let me show you the craziest feature. The realism is on a whole new level. Look at this comparison. On this side, you can see the clothes just kind of floating on the body. It's like a bad Photoshop job. But on the other hand, the Nano Banana tech makes everything look so realistic. The fabric folds, the shadows are cast correctly. It's a completely different level of realism. It's not just one feature, it's a system-level upgrade, but it doesn't support it here. Gensmo has lifelike models with human-like features. On this side, you can see its AI. The eyes are a little lifeless. The expression is stiff. It's functional, but it's not exactly a human-like experience. Now look at the Gensmo models. The expressions are so much more natural, the subtle smiles, the human-like gestures. As you can see, this app isn't just a tool for shopping, it's a creative partner. While other AI shopping tools like Google's Doppel are very functional and focused on e-commerce, Gensmo is focused on being a fashion playground. It's about more than just buying clothes. It's about a creative and social experience. So what do you think? Do you prefer a fast, efficient tool for buying or an AI stylist that feels like a creative partner you can play with? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.